All right, step 1, we have 7/8 minus 4/5. Step 1, we combine like terms. We find a common denominator by multiplying our two separate denominators. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 is our common denominator. Next, we multiply our numerator times the opposite denominator. So 7 times 5 equals 35. So that is one of our numerators. 8 times 4 equals 32. So that's our second numerator. So we have 35/40 minus 32/40. 35 minus 32 equals 3. So we have our answer, 7/8 minus 4/5 equals 3/40. All right, next example problem. Again, everybody tuning in, please hit the like button. Really helps the algorithm. All right, 3/4 plus 1/8. Step 1, we multiply our denominators to get a common denominator. 4 times 8 equals 32. Next, we cross multiply. We're multiplying each numerator times the opposite denominator. So 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 times 1 equals 4. And now we have to add our two numerators to get our converted answer. So 3/4 has converted to 24 32nds. 1/8 has converted to 4 32nds. (24 plus 4 equals 28). So 3/4 plus 1/8 equals 28 32nds. I previously said that I was going to leave the reducing fractions to lowest terms for a separate video, but I'll do one more reducing fractions problem since this one's kind of blatantly obvious here. All right, so the greatest common factor between 28 and 32 is 4. So we're going to divide our numerator and our denominator by 4 to reduce our answer to lowest terms. So 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So our answer reduced to lowest terms is 7/8. So 3/4 plus 1/8 equals 28 32nds, which reduced to lowest terms equals 7/8. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill.